Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Write a chemical equation to show the preparation of an alkane from alkene and alkyne. So alkane can prepared from alkene and alkyne by the process of hydrogenation. By hydrogenation of alkene and alkyne we can prepare alkane. So we can prepare alkane by hydrogenation of alkene and alkyne. So first we will prepare alkane by hydrogenation of alkene. So alkene, we are taking the second member of the first member of the alkene. The first member of alkene is ethene. So CH2 double bond CH2, it is ethene. The first member of alkene family, when it is reacted with H2 gas in the presence of nickel at 200 to 300 degrees centigrade temperature. When ethene is reacted with hydrogen gas in the presence of nickel at 200 to 300 degrees centigrade temperature, the double bond will break and the remaining valencies, the valencies which will be less by breaking double bond to single bond, hydrogen will attach to this carbon and this carbon, that valencies will be completed by this hydrogen. So it will be CH3 single bond CH3. So by hydrogenation of ethene we can convert ethene into ethane. So alkene family member after hydrogenation converted into ethane. Similarly, now I am taking the first member of ethyne family, alkyne family. It is CH triple bond CH, it is ethyne. When ethyne is reacted with double bond in the presence of nickel at 200 to 300 degrees centigrade temperature, it first converted into ethene, CH2 double bond CH2, because double bond is converted into single, triple bond is converted into double bond, and these two hydrogen, there are two, this is the hydrogen gas having two hydrogen atoms. So one hydrogen attached to this carbon and one hydrogen atom attached to this carbon. So this carbon will now have two hydrogens and this carbon will now have two hydrogens. Now ethene then again reacted with hydrogen gas molecule again in the presence of nickel to 200 to 300 degrees centigrade temperature, and double bond is converted into single bond, and one hydrogen again attached to this carbon, one hydrogen again attached to this carbon. Now it is CH3 double bond CH3, it is ethane. We can also write this reaction, these two reactions in a single step by when ethine reacted with two molecules of hydrogen gas in the presence of nickel at 200 to 300 degrees centigrade temperature, it is converted into ethane. So this is the question number 4 of review exercise. Inshallah in the next video we will start the next question. Assalamu alaikum.